This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Request a code review to get feedback from your peers. To do, finish the program, then start. Okay, let's see what we have here. I want to know what this does currently. Okay, I get to there. Wow, that is huge. All right. Call the move, turn left, and move method to move forward while the painter can move, then turn left, then continue moving. Woo! To reach. All right, what the heck is this method? I'm assuming it's over here. Move, turn left. Let's see, turn right. Oh, yep, move, turn. Hey, that looks handy too. Okay, so as long as the painter can move, we move forward. We then, once the painter can't move, like if I'm facing this wall, I smack into it. This would be false. Once this is false, we stop repeating move, we drop beneath it, and we would turn left. Okay, that's interesting. And they're making use of this already. So it looks like right now I would do, my painter's object is Callie. So I'm going to do Callie.move, turn left, like they're asking me to. And let's see what that does. Okay, and then, oh, I can't use, well, I could use move and turn left, but it wouldn't make that much sense. Because I don't need to turn at the end. If you don't, right? Like, so I could do this again. But I don't think that's what they want, especially because they said turn. They said use move. So I'm going to undo that. And now I'm just going to do move a lot. Well, I'll talk about it once it's in here. Cool. Now, this looks great. And personally, I hope you were screaming at no at me. And that is because if you noticed, I highlighted and did copy and then paste, because really I'm just repeating myself. Does this function? Yes. Does this work? Yes. Does this accomplish the goal? Yes. Is this the nicest, prettiest way to do this in code? No. Did I sound like a cow? Cows are really cool. Favorite animal. Anyways, all right. So what we want to do instead of this, or what I want to do, is use a while or as long as I can loop, right? So while Callie dot, and I know this method exists, can move. And all I'm doing there is checking if I can move, right? If nothing's blocking my path. And then curly brackets, and I'm going to do Callie dot move. Now I can kill all of this. Good boy. Because as long as I can move, I'm going to take a step forward, and this will keep repeating on its own. Much prettier. Cool. This is my personal preference. We got that down. Keep in mind what it's doing. As long as we can move, we repeat this code, hits the bottom, goes back to the top, and it will keep checking that we can move once we're down here. And then when we can't, like here, it stops, falls below, nothing beneath it. Now let's get to the review. To review, I'm heading over here. Now, if you cannot click a start review and it mentions maybe your teacher has to enable this, be kind to your teacher because this is kind of confusing for teachers to do. I know that because I did it wrong a lot. Thank you, students, for letting me know. I wish it was kinder, right? So if this is disabled and you're trying to do this, let your teacher know. It is annoying for teachers to do. There's several spots you have to click. Anyways, that being said, mine is finally enabled. I can click start review. And it will just automatically pop up here and I'm good to go, right? If you want to edit it, hit close review, do the edits that you need, and you can open it back up. I actually probably should have tested mine first. Looks good. And boom. Onward.